Hello everyone, in this video I will show you a simple tricks to remove Apple ID when FMI is on and you also forget the password of that ID. But before do this operation, you have to check three things. First, you go to your Apple account and then click iCloud and look iCloud backup storage is show or not. If the storage is showing, so the first checkup is done. Now go to the password and the security option and then look two-factor authentication is on or off. If it's on, so the second checkup is done. Now the final check, your phone have set a passcode locked and you know this passcodes, or if not set the passcode, so set up it right now. Now connect the USB cable with your computer and then we jump to the work. This video is sponsored by passfab.com. If you buy their iPhone unlocker tool, so you can get the passfab screen recorder for free. If you don't buy the passfab iPhone unlocker, so only 5 USD cost for get passfab screen recorder. That's cool. Alright, so now we use their iPhone unlocker tool to reset my iPhone without Apple ID password when the FMI is on. So I already download and install their tool and now I open it and my phone is already connected with PC already. Okay, so I open the tool and the first option you see, unlock Apple ID option. Just click here. Then you can show your device model number that you confirm your device is connected successfully. Now we click start remove and after do this operation your all the data will be erased, so make a backup before do this work. Okay, click now. Here you confirm again that your device have set a passcode. If not set yet, so please set a passcode right now. My phone have already a passcode locked and I know the passcode already. Then make sure two-factor authentication is on your device. At the beginning of this video, I showed you how to check it. So click yes. Now the last section, here you click the download button. Then the tool automatically download the latest iOS version firmware and remove Apple ID. But if your internet speed is not enough good, so you can download manually like me from ipsw.me. Then download the firmware. I already downloaded it on my desktop. So come back the tool and import local firmware and select the iOS file. Then just click start remove. Okay, now you just wait and see when it's complete. Here it takes normally 8 to 10 minutes. I make this part faster. Okay, done. Now here you show you have alternative option to input passcode. So I put my old passcode, then the phone will unlock and the Apple ID will be removed. Alright, so everything is done. Hope you enjoyed this video. Good luck.